you got away, but you'll never know what your loving did to me. I've been crying so damn hard, I feel so empty. Hoping for the day you change your mind. Until then I'll be drowning all my sorrows at the bottom of a bottle. 'Cause whiskey never ever lets me down. You know me, I'll be drowning all my sorrows at the bottom of a bottle. 'Cause whiskey never ever lets me down. Just a few shots of whiskey, and I'm 2 sheets to the wind, trying to drown all of this pain my baby left me. Just a few shots of whiskey gonna help me to forget. I've been drinking all alone, my baby left me. Oh, few shots of whiskey, and I'm 2 sheets to the wind, trying to drown all of this pain my baby left me. Oh, a few shots of whiskey gonna help me to forget. I've been drinking all alone since my baby left me. You know me, I'll be drowning all my sorrows at the bottom of a bottle. 'Cause whiskey never ever lets me down. You know me, I'll be drowning all my sorrows at the bottom of a bottle. 'Cause whiskey never lets me down. You know me, I'll be drowning all my sorrows at the bottom of a bottle. 'Cause whiskey never ever lets me down. You know me, I'll be drowning all my sorrows at the bottom of a bottle. 'Cause whiskey never ever lets me down.
Hi there, how are you? Today I'm doing the dance A Few Shots, CBA 2021. 32 count 4 wall intermediate, no techno restart, now the dance. First section, weight on your left, start with your right, rock forward, left behind, recover, hitch, figure 4, back swerve, behind side cross, facing 130, rock forward, recover, rock forward, recover. Back rock, recover. Back half, forward half. Next section, step forward, make a half turn, weight on left, forward, forward, square up to 6 o'clock, sweep right, cross side behind. Rock on side, bend knee, right arms up, turn 1/4, 3 o'clock, recover half turn, swerve, left triangle, right triangle. Next section, forward, flick behind, back hook. Step forward, point on right, snap finger, right, left. Step forward, point left, touch next to right. Turn one body, rock on left, recover, track left to right. Mambo half. Step, lock step, forward hitch on 1. Last section. Back, back, turn 1/4, rock, recover, behind, step forward 1/4, forward half turn, lock step half turn, lock step half turn, run, run, run for half turn. This is your new wall. Now the count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7 and up, 8 and up, 1, 2, 3 and up, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7 and up, 8 and up, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up, 5, 6, 7 and up, 8 and up. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.